Hello, my name is Mark Dickinson. I am a special education teacher at Westridge Middle School in Grand Island, Nebraska. I teach CBI, or community-based instruction. All the students in my classroom are severe and profound disabilities, and also many of them have multiple disabilities. A large part of what I teach is a functional-based curriculum, so I teach things like cooking and shopping and how to navigate out in the community, those type of things. So when I am working on academic skills such as mathematics, I am looking at very basic level, much lower level than that of a middle school student. So the activity I like, the resource I really am excited about using as an intervention here for math skills is found on the gregtangmath.com, and it's the break apart activities. And so I'm going to be looking at addition here, and I'm going to be looking at make 10. And the reason I like this is because whenever I'm doing math, we use a lot of manipulatives. I often have a problem just like you see here, and I often have squares with numbers on them, and they will move those squares in the position to create a correct answer. And so a couple of the students that I'm thinking about using this for will see this and be very familiar with the idea of choosing the correct square. So in this intervention, you see what we're trying to do with the first number is make a 10. So we have 9. So in the first box is going to be a 1. And then we're going to look at, to get to 4, we need to have 3 more. So now we know that 9 plus 1 equals 10 to make our 10. If we add 3, then we have 13. Again, here you see we have a 7. To make 10, we need to add 3. 3 to get to 5, we need 2. So now we know 7 and 3 is 10. If we add 2, that would be 12. Here we have a 5. To get to 10, we want 5 more. Then to get to 6, we need 1 more. So here's our 10 plus 1 equals 11. Now, if we want to look at making it a little more difficult, what I would do in this instance is I would have give the students a hundreds table, hundreds chart that looks something like this. I use this quite often, so they're used to seeing this. And so when you see this, we're at 58, we want to make 60. They look at their chart, they know they need to add 2. 2 to get to 6, we need 4 more. So here's our 60 plus 4 is 64. Once again, we have 46. We want to get to 50 here, so we want 4. 4 to get to 9 would be 5. Here's our 50 plus 5 is 55. So I'm really excited to use this again in my class for the students I have in mind that have already have great success with addition, but I think this would be another strategy to get them to the next level of thinking about making 10 or making an even a higher step here as we saw here. So that is the intervention that I am excited to use this next coming year.